let's see. What should I talk about? Okay. So, oh wow. Okay, Adam. Let's just jump right into Adam because I'm gonna smack him. I want to smack that boy so hard. He came in with a very big attitude. He came in kind of talking some big talk and wanting to run everything, and just he's his father's son, and made Victoria leave the company. Really mad at Victor for not standing up and giving Victoria more credit during that. It's totally Victor's fault that Adam ended up screwing up, because Victor basically gave him the keys to the kingdom, let him do whatever he wanted, and I don't know, maybe, I'm just thinking of this now, but maybe that was part of Victor's plan to kind of calm him down, I don't know, so that he would, kind of trip himself up, I mean, work it out, but I think that Adam came in with a very negative attitude. I don't like him at all. He screwed up this week, and I was kind of glad to see it. I was kind of glad to see Victor put the smack down on Adam. I really appreciated that. He's going to reduce his workload, and I was kind of happy to see Adam get his, only because I feel like if it would have been anybody else, Neil or Victoria, messing up that badly in the situation, I feel like Adam would have rubbed it in. He would have been very difficult to work with, and he would have been a little weasel, the little weasel that he is. But I'm just going to say this. I think Adam is a little bitch. I just think he is. I mean, maybe I shouldn't say that on, like, the first video, but he is. He's a little bitch. Like, everything that he does is for the purpose of getting under people's skin and getting more power and proving that he's so cool or perfect or whatever he is. I don't like him. Maybe he'll grow on me. They have a tendency to do that. I mean, I totally reserve the right to change my mind, but I feel like the side that he's shown since coming into town is very crummy. I don't like him. So, and I'm almost wondering, because I don't have spoilers or anything, the fact that he got knocked down, I'm almost wondering if his contract is up or if they're letting him go, or is he going to be on the show much longer? Does everybody hate him? Are they going to get rid of him? I don't know. So next I wanted to talk about, just on a side note, before, like, I probably should have talked about this after David Chow, but, Brad, when did he become such a little weasel? You have to know, I have been a Brad fan since the beginning. I like him. I think he's beefy and handsome and dark and I think he's hot, but he needs a woman. That's what this is boiling down to right now. Brad is so bored. He's screwing around with David Chow so that he could have control at Jabot. I mean, who cares? I don't know, Brad just needs to start his own company or something, because he has this constant need to be in control of everything. So, whether it be his daughter's life or, I mean, just everything. So, I'm really hoping that police give Brad a woman, and not Heather. She's not sexy. We need somebody more like Lauren. It's like, I like the Brad and Lauren combo. Although Michael and Lauren are my favorite. I love them. They're my favorite couple ever. Like, Michael and Lauren and Phyllis and Nick, I love. Great combos. Really enjoy the chemistry there. It's sexy. It's fun. So, yeah. But, Brad needs somebody kind of like Lauren, I think. Just so that he doesn't suck so much. Also just wanted to say, kind of sad about Neil and Karen. I know it's weird, because she came onto the show at the same time as David Chow for the campaign crap, and I don't know, I kind of liked her. I feel like Neil, they don't use that character enough. Like, I'm sad that Drusilla's gone. I wish she would come back. I really do, and not as a recast. But I kind of liked having Neil have some kind of company. I mean, I thought Karen was cool. She had a really good singing voice. She seemed like earthy. She wasn't after anything. I liked her. I like her in the jazz club. I like that side. I like to see that, and I feel like they don't play it up quite enough. So sad about Karen. Boo. I'm really becoming concerned with Daniel, because Danny's back in town. I love Danny. I'm always excited when he comes back. But now he's offering Daniel this gig to go on the road with him on tour through Europe for who knows how long. And it makes me sad. I'm a little nervous. Like, it really makes me scared that the guy who plays Daniel, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna know people's like real life names anymore. But the guy who plays Daniel, I'm afraid that he's leaving the show, and I love him. I love him and Amber. I think they're really fun. I like Amber. I'm sure you guys hate her. You probably do. I don't know. I'm out of touch. I don't know what anybody else thinks about Lionel, but I like Amber. I think she's fun and she's fresh, and her and Daniel make such a good couple. I like them. So I'm really sad if that guy is leaving the show, even temporarily. I am not okay with it.